Hi everyone, so this is just a short video to go through some definitions or some particular words used in algebra. Alright, so the first word we are looking at is constant. So a constant is a fixed number or any number you see by itself without a letter attached to it. So any number is a constant. So 24, 6, 89, -5, -215, 78. Any number by itself without a letter attached to it is a constant. Our next definition we're looking at is definition of a variable. A variable is any unknown quantity. In other words, any letters that we do not know the value of, or any numbers attached to a letter is a variable. So for example, X is a variable, 6H, 28Y, MN. They're all letters in there, so they're all variables. Some more examples could be 5J, 16D, 28N. Well, I have 28Y already. Just simply Y alone or Z alone, right? All those are variables, right? All right, next one we're looking at is term. A term can be a constant or a variable. So for example, 24 by itself, that is a term. X by itself, that is a term. 6H is a term. 89, 28, Y, MN, 89. Basically, once it's a constant or a variable, it's a term, right? And here we have, I listed 7 terms. 1, 2, 3, 7, right? All right, the next one we're looking at is the algebraic expression. So an algebraic expression consists of a set of terms that are usually added or subtracted, and it does not have an equal sign. So algebraic expression does not have an equal sign. And we will actually look at what has an equal sign, which is an equation. We'll look at a later one, right? So number one, you have 3x plus 5y minus 7m. In the above algebraic expression, there are 3 terms. What are the 3 terms? We have 3x, that's a term. Then 5y, that's also a term, so that's 2 terms here. And then minus 7m, that's a term, so that's 3 terms here. Number 2, 4a plus 5ab plus 2c plus x plus 92. The above algebraic expression has 5 terms. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms, right? Right, so we're good so far. Now we're looking at the last piece, like terms and unlike terms. Like terms have the same variable. Same variable meaning they have the same letter. For example, 3x, 4x, 9x. They're all like terms because they have that common letter of x. So if I had 5y plus 16y minus 20y, they're all like terms because there's y attached to it, right? Unlike terms are terms that do not have the same variable, do not have the same letter. So 2a plus 5ab plus 7c, they are all unlike terms because they don't have a common letter. You should be mindful that if I have 2a and I have 5ab, this and this, so 2a and 5ab are not like terms. A alone by itself is totally different from AB, right? They would only be like terms if I had AB and AB, or I could have AB and BA, right? This is the same thing. Or the A would only be a like term if there's a attached to a alone attached to something, a number or something, right? Or letter. Oh, sorry, a number, right? So that's it for the different definitions for certain words used in algebra, and you'll see it coming up a little more in more of the videos that I'll be doing coming up, right? So in our next video we will focusing more on the algebraic expressions.